It's my time to move on. Dear Mom and Dad, at some point I need to move out of the cellar at 40 years old and be a man of my own. Moving out of the house is hard to do, but I have to start my life of what it's left of now before it's too late. Also, I have to change my past and make a better future that I'm in control of. I'm starting to feel more confident around women my age, and I think it's a sign telling me to dream big and believe myself. My new life with my family on my own is my life in pursuit of happiness. It has been a slow, sad 40 years in the cellar drinking root beer, eating Doritos, and watching the public station on TV. You two have been making me pay for all the groceries when I'm employed and try to save money, which sucks because I'm trying to move out of the house. Living in the cellar has kept me from making new friends and starting a new life. I'm old enough now to make my own decisions, profits, and be like any other 40-year-old man. Though there was a lot of good things in life that happened when I lived with you two, like getting advice about women, having mom's homemade pancakes, and no taxes. Me moving out of the house is for the better, and I'm willing to go out into the real world and rely on my own protection now, because I've just pledged my life to start a new one. Not living with my parents will be hard to do, but I will always love you. Love, G.